Hey, buddy. Oh, be gentle. Be gentle, okay? Oh, it's too cute. There's your brother right there, buddy. All right, let's dance, buddy. Hey, this...
Logan's jacket is going to leave his jacket out, and
yeah.
we should just tighten his socks on him. I don't remember what we said.
You gotta hit the button, buddy. Until I'm frozen until you hit the button. I'm frozen until you hit the button.
The other thing is, Tom, is
You don't even need music anymore. Yeah. That's the smallest track ever, Logan. Get ready for track and field. Boom. I think you just did 1,000 laps around the Logan track. There you go. You getting dizzy? Yeah? No? Ah, boom. Good man. You a Cookie? Where's Cookie Monster? You gotta play. There's it's Frosty the Snowman over there. Frosty is stuck. You gotta hit his foot.
well, that's why if we pack up now, we should be fine. We he'll cry a little bit, but then he'll go back to sleep. That's what happened last time. He cried for like 10 minutes.